chasing the easy life.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janet, and oh my god, you guys, spring has sprung. But the thing is, it's still cold. Some of the areas here in US were still snowing and it's spring. I was like, is it really spring or not? But anyways, today I am going to create a spring look, you guys. I haven't done any makeup look for a while. Oh my god, I'm so MIA, missing in action, I'm saying. So today we were going to create one using my soft glam from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Welcome to the family, my baby. So I've done swatches with this, but today, you guys, it's untouched. Yes, untouched. Hindi ko pa siya ginalaw. You see that? So yeah, so we're going to create a spring look today, and I don't know what to do or what to create, and I haven't touched either with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Rizzy. Oh my god, like seriously? Like I've done a swatches this as well, and oh my god, it was lovely. So today we were going to touch this as well. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, so to prime my face, I am using this Physicians Formula Rose All Day. This is a serum, and this is a primer as well, and this is for brightens and tightens. Tightens. So let's use this. Smell like a rose. It smells so good. Oh, it says that it will give you this pearl luminosity. Pearl luminosity. So yeah, this one has a vitamin C in it. Rose water. This is why it smells rose. And yeah, so you can use this alone, under or over makeup. Wow, that's nice. For my foundation, I am using my NARS in Syracuse, and I'm gonna buff this using my Real Techniques. I'm in love with this foundation, you guys. I'm just literally in love with this. So I'm just gonna buff this here in my forehead as well. I love this foundation, y'all. I just can't. Like, if you want to know my thought about this foundation, I have a video, so I'm going to put that in my description box down below. Okay? Alright. This is what I always do. You guys know that. After my brush, I use my sponge. And now we are going to use my Anastasia in Concealer 2.0. My favorite as well. So to bake my under eyes, I'm using my Laura Mercier. Alrighty. So to prime my eyelids, I am using my MAC paint pot. Okay, so as usual, I am going to do this eyes first, and this eyes off camera, so we can save some time, like I'm saying. So we're just gonna set that with my Laura Mercier. For my transition, I am using Sienna. So I'm just going to blend this on my lids. It looks like the same the other palette. Blends really well as always. Alright, to deepen up this transition, I am using the Rustic. And by that, I am using my MAC 217. So let's put that here and blend. I'm focusing this edge only here and bring a little bit in the inner corner. Okay, so using my paint pot, I'm going to use this in my inner corner because I am going to use a glitters from this palette. Okay. I'm just gonna start here and bring that Okay, after that, I am going to use this. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I don't know what to use. So now I am using this sultry color, this one. So I'm going to use my MAC 242. Oh my god, this thing is so pigmented. So let me try this wet. So I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime. I'm going to spritz this. So yeah, I like if you wet your brush. Oh, I like that. Lovely. And now, so using the mulberry color, I'm gonna use that here in my outer corner. This color is, oh, okay, it has a little bit of fall off. And we just keep blending. And then going back to this brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. You know, this is the key of everything, especially in eyeshadow. Blending is your best friend, right? And now I am going to put a little bit darker in my outer V. So I am using, I'm gonna use the Cypress Amber, this one. We're gonna use this here. Okay, and now using the tempera, I am going to use this to highlight my brow bone. So let me just go ahead and finish this one eye right here, and I'll be back. Alright, so the other eyes is done, and now let's do the other side. So for my eyeliner, I am using the Vintage Cosmetics. So I'm going to tight line my eyes. And do this here in the bottom as well. For my mascara, I am using the Tarteist from Tarte. Alright, so for my falsies, I am using my Ardell Wispies. Okay, so our lashes is done, and now we are going back to my color Sienna. I am going to put that underneath my bottom lashes. So yes. I'm just gonna blend it here. Taking the mulberry, I'm going to tap that here. And using the Cypress Amber, I'm going to deepen up that color. The same brush. The same mascara for the bottom lashes. For my inner corner, I am using the glistening. This one right here. Oh wow, this thing is so pigmented. Alright, so that's it for our eyes. And now let's go ahead and move on into our face. So for my powder, I am using my Clinique. This is the Stay Matte Sheer Powder in Stay Honey. So to contour my face, I'm using the Hoola from Benefit. In our forehead, in our temple, in our jawline. For my bronzer, I am using my MAC Give Me Sun, this one right here. My all-time favorite. Just bronze that in the top of my contour. Okay, so for my blush, I am using my Anastasia blush kit, and this is in Radiant. And I am using this color right here. This is a Coastline. So for my highlighter, I am going to use my Anastasia Beverly. Is that how you say that? I'm dying to try this baby right here, so let's do it. So I am using my Anastasia highlighter fan brush. I want to glow like Amrezy, like I'm saying. Ooh! Oh! Oh! Do I glow like Amrezy right now? Because I can feel it. I love it! Ooh. I love it. In our nose. Pack. Ganern. I am obsessed. And now let's move on to our lipstick. So for my lipstick, I am using the MAC. This is in Burnt Spice. Okay, I think that's it for lipstick. And I think that's it for face. Let me just go ahead and fix my hair and I'll be back again. Okay? And I'm back. Anyways, guys, this is our final look. You guys like my ponytail? Yes, I love how my makeup turns out. It's Soft Glam, inspired by my Soft Glam eye palette. I am so ready for this spring. I had fun creating this look. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please show me some love, you guys. Give me some like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and be a member of my small family. And please turn on your notifications on for more videos from me, you guys. Thank you guys all so much. I love you guys all so much. I miss you all so much. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!
I just wanna dance. I just wanna